Welcome to Sharpen skill for middle school students for Olympiads and competitive examinations. Now, usually we have separate videos for school students covering their school textbook questions, and separate videos for Olympiads and those preparing for competitive examinations. All these are free online classes, but here this particular question, we decided to make a single video for both. A single video for school students and Olympiads and competitive exams. Why we did that? Because the thing is so easy that even actually a primary school student can do it. Even a primary school student can do it. There is no elaborate concept involved. That's why we decided to make it a combined video. These are free online classes for all, and if you want to join live sessions, contact now. It's absolutely free. So here we have BA. Now BA is not B into A. In algebra, XY means X into Y. AB means A into B. Now this is not multiplication. These are two digits. B is a digit, A is a digit. So if B is 3 and A is 4, then it would be 34. If B is 3 and A is 5, it would be 35. So these are two digits. So BA, that is a two-digit number, multiplied by B3. The units digit is 3 and the tens digit is B. When you multiply, you are getting 578. 500 plus 70 plus A. So we have to find what digit does B stand for and what digit does A stand for. So as we told you, these are free online classes, and if you want to join live sessions, either for your school level, that is textbook based questions, or for Olympiads or for competitive examinations, railway, banking, public service commission, you can always join. So contact us now, then we will tell you, or we will plan sessions, timings and days. So now let us see how to solve it. It's really very, very easy. Now see only the part which we have bound with a rectangle. That is 3 into A. That's how you begin multiplication. 3 into A, then 3 into B, then B into A, B into B. That's how you begin. So the first step would be 3 into A. Now 3 into A gives A. 3 into A gives A, at least as a unit digit. You may have some carry, like if you get 25, you may carry 2, that's a different thing. But 3 into A gives you A. So let us see, here we have written 3 into A, all the possible values. 3 into 5 gives 15. So 5, 15. If A is 5, then here also 15. That means you would be writing 5. If A is 5, then 3 into 5, 15. You will be writing 5 only. And then 1 you will carry. So it can be 5. 5 is the only number other than 3 into 0. 3 into 0 will also give you 0. But why we are not taking 0, we will tell you later. At the end of this solution, we will tell you why we are not taking 3 into 0. So 3 into 5, 15. Other things don't match. 3 into 1 is 3. It's not 1. 3 into 2 is 6. It's not 2. 3 into 3 is 9. Not 3. 3 into 4 is 12. Not ending in 4. 3 into 6, 18. Not ending in 6. So the only value other than 0, which we will discuss later, 3 into 5, 15. So 3 into 5, 15. That means you will write 5. So possibly A is 5. For A equal to 5, 3 into 5, 15. The units digit happens to be the same. A is 5, and here also the units digit A is 5. So we can say A equal to 5 tentatively. The 0 part we will discuss later. If it is not 0, it has to be 5. 5 is the only digit where 3 into 5 gives you a number ending in 5. 3 into 5, 15, ending in 5. So let us say A equal to 5. Now we have to look for B, right? 3 into A should give you A. 5 is the only number other than 0. 0 we will discuss later. 3 into 5, 15. So if you have put 5 here, then 15, again you will write 5 here and 1 carried. So this has to be 5. So that 3 into 5 you get 15 and here you write 5. Now for the next digit B. So we put in the original sum, we have copied again, putting 5 in place of A. BA, we have written B5, and 57A, we have written 575. We have put that. Now, what is the next step? 3 into 5, 15, carried 1, right? 3 into 5, 15, you write down 5 and carry 1. So 1 carried. Now 3 into B plus that 1 carried, should give you something ending in 7. And the only number is 2. Okay, before that, let us see. 3 into B plus 1 is 7. 1 is a carried. 3 into 5, 15, 1 carried. So 3 into B plus 1 gives you something ending in 7. So if it is giving you something ending in 7, then it has to be 3 into B equal to 6. 3 into B plus 1 ending in 7. So without that 1, without this carry 1, 3 into B should be ending in 6. Then only if you add 1, it will end in 7. So 3 into B should end in 6. And only for B equal to 2, see the table, only for B equal to 2, you have got that. Only for B equal to 2, you get 3 into 2 equal to 6, then plus 1 carried, you get 7. So we can say B equal to 2, right? 3 into B plus 1 carried from that 3 into 5 equal to 15, 1 carried. So that gives you something ending in 7. So 3 into B plus 1 ends in 7. So 3 into B is 6. Now only for B equal to 2, you get 3 into 2 equal to 6. So if you put B equal to 2, 3 into 2 equal to 6, and then 1 carried, you'll get 7. So let us say B equal to 2. So put the values. BA, B is 2, A is 5, 25 into B3, B is 2, so 23. So you can multiply and see that you will get 575. That is 57A. So if you put B equal to 2 and A equal to 5, then 25, here 23, 57A will be 575. And you can check 25 into 23 giving you 575. 25 into 20 is 500. 25 into 3 is 75, so 575. So the value is correct. A equal to 5, B equal to 2. Now we will discuss why we did not take that first one, 3 into A, why we did not take A equal to 0. We took A equal to 5. Why we did not take A equal to 0? Because 3 into 0 will give you 0. Why we did not take A equal to 0? This is answer. Answer you have got. A equal to 5, B equal to 2. But why we did not take A equal to 0? Because 3 into 0 gives 0. Why we did not take? Now we will discuss. Now we will discuss why A cannot be 0. Suppose A equal to 0. The first part is okay. 3 into 0 giving you 0. 3 into A equal to A, 3 into 0 equal to 0. That part is okay. So let us assume A equal to 0. Later we will prove that A cannot be 0, but for the timing let us say A equal to 0. Because 3 into 0 is giving you 0, 3 into A equal to A. If A equal to 0, the first part matches. So let us put tentatively A equal to 0 and then prove that it leads to an impossible result. So 3 into 0 equal to 0. That means no carry. When we put 5, 3 into 5 equal to 15, carried 1. So 3 into 0 equal to 0 means no carry. Now 3 into B has to give you something ending in 7. and the only number is 3 into 9 equal to 27. That's the only number. 3 into 9 equal to 27. So B should be 9, right? 3 into A, 3 into 0, 0. Then no carry. So 3 into B, if it gives you something ending in 7, then it has to be 9, because 3 into 9 is 27. So let us put B equal to 9. Now BA into BE. So if A is 0 and B is 9, you get 90 into 93, right? A equal to 0 and B equal to 9. 3 into B ending in 7. 3 into 9, 27. So if you have to put B equal to 9, then BA would be 90 and B3 would be 93. 90 into 93, how much it is giving you? 4 digits, not 3 digits, 4 digits. Okay, the part this is okay, but it is giving you 4 digits, not 3 digits. But here we have got only 3 digits. That's the reason why we did not take A equal to 0. If A equal to 0, then B, if we take 9, we are getting 90 into 93, a 4-digit product. But here we have got 5, 7A, only 3 digits, not 4 digits. That is the reason why we did not take A equal to 0. Right? That's the reason why we did not take A equal to 0. What we took? A equal to 5, B equal to 2. So 25 into 23, 575. That was the correct answer. A equal to 0 at first it is okay, but then when you go to the second step, it will lead to an absurd conclusion, a 4-digit product where you have only a 3-digit product. So A equal to 0 is rejected, A equal to 5 and B equal to 2. So actually you are multiplying 25 into 23, getting 575. So as I said, free online math classes for all. You can join, any number of students can join in one group. There is no limit. So free online math classes for all students. You can contact us, you can WhatsApp us, and both school students and those preparing for public service exam or banking or railways and other job related, all of you can, and also those who are doing Olympiads. So all of you can contact for free online classes. There's a number in which you'll WhatsApp. All of you are welcome to join our free online classes. So till we meet again, have a nice day.